So now let's see how we can work around with the Puppet Warp tool inside a Photopea. So for that, if I were to go around onto edit menu right here, you can see that Puppet Warp is an option. Once you do that, you get these triangular shapes right here, and you can click and drag these around. You can click on different points right here to warp it around, as you can see, just like this right here. So you can go around, change around the shape according to how you want. You can go around over here, change around the density to be larger right here as well. So right now you can see that it can be much detailed, or it can be small as well, just like this. So that is what you have. And you can go around and expand out the pixels right here, just like this as well, according to how you want. You can show the mess, or you can go around and hide the mess as well. And you can see that as I click, you just see the warp. You can go ahead and then work around with this. Press the check mark to actually go around and apply it. Well, let me just go around back right here into the main shape right here. And now I'm going to, let's say, for example, just select out the shape and right click and make a layer via copy right here, just like this. So now if I were to go around and then apply the Puppet Warp to this right here, then only that particular shape is selected, and you can just simply go around and click and drag this around right here, just like this. And what happens is that it is warped out right here, just like this. As you can see, you can go around and change around that particular shape right here, just like this, as you can see right here. You can click and drag this out, and this is what you have, as you can see right here. You can blur, click and drag this out, press enter, and you can see that you can warp out that particular shape right there as well. And that is how you can go ahead and work around with the Puppet Warp tool inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.